Hey everyone, Ben here. Ark Invest just loaded up heavy on this brand new stock. So in this video, I'm going to dive in to the valuation of this stock, what the business actually does, Ark Invest live trades, and whether you guys should buy this stock right now. But before we dive into that, if you're new around here, why not consider joining the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. If you do find any value in this video at all and you like these early updates, then feel free to give this video an early thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the YouTube AI. If you wish to know which stocks I'm personally buying and selling, in addition to accessing my entire investment portfolio, and you can speak to me directly about your own investment portfolio, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below for the VIP membership group. With that being said, let's dive in. Now, Ark is an active ETF, so does trade every day. However, I only make videos on their trades if I find something particularly interesting. So in this case, I noticed this here, Bill, ticker Bill, Buildcom Holdings. They purchased 98,899 shares, which make up 0.4469% of the ETF. Now, I hadn't noticed this name previously, and that is what first caught my attention. So, very interesting company there. And my suspicion was this was a new stock. So, checking out here, we can see that they actually increased their position in this stock 100%. So, they have $30 million in this stock right now. So, very interesting. And also here it says new position on this stock right now. Now, diving into the share price for this stock, before we get into what this company actually does, on the day, this could have been from Ark's actual trade, but still, the stock is up 32% in one day. Now, I have friends of mine who still invest into index funds, and they're happy to get 7% a year. 32% in a single day. There you go. Enough said about individual stocks, eh?
NASDAQ? That sounds delicious. I'll take two. Medium rare.
Market cap for this company, $14.99 billion. So still not tiny, but still it's not a massive company like we see Ark invest into usually. So yeah, interesting company. What does this company actually do? And should you guys invest into this company? We are a leading provider of cloud-based software that simplifies, digitizes, and automates complex back-office financial operations for small, medium-sized businesses. So let's dive into their investor presentation and we'll find out a little bit more about this company. First of all, let's check out this at a glance. Buildcom, great domain name, by the way. So 45% revenue growth over the past year, which is incredible to see. 45% revenue growth between 2019 and 2020. Over 109,000 customers. So this company has a large, diverse range of customers, which is great to see. Sometimes you see certain companies, they have one or two big customers, and that actually adds an extra risk for the business and can actually mask growth as well for the company. They have 2.5 million network members, suppliers, and clients. 121% net dollar retention rate. What we like to see is people using their software are actually staying with the company, actually maybe even referring other people to the company. So anything greater than 100% is fantastic. 77% gross margin non-GAAP, which is also fantastic. That's why I love software businesses. They have such high margins, which is great for shareholder value for you guys. Additional financial back office for a small, medium-sized business. Paperwork everywhere, accounting, not a pretty picture. So this company comes in, so they have this obviously complex setup usually, and then this company comes in with their end-to-end solution for financial operations. So they have basically this software which helps companies with accounts and various other parts of the management of the business. So they receive, approve, pay, reconcile, helps with accounting, helps with taxes, helps with managing the business finances. I know this, actually invested into a few small businesses, and managing the background finances can be quite challenging as there's so many different aspects to the business, so many different expenses, so many different things to track for the business. So that can be quite interesting also. Okay, so what sets this company apart? Because that's what we really like to know, because this seems very similar to many other sort of accounting softwares. So this is purpose-built for small, medium-sized businesses, so they're not aiming at large enterprises. Efficient go-to-market, expanding network effects. I do agree with the network effects. Apart from the network effect, I wouldn't say they really have a major competitive advantage, but I've not used their software personally. Let me know, guys, in the comments below if you've used Buildcom, if you've used their software, or you have friends that have used their software. I'd love to know how they compare to other competitors. This is their efficient go-to-market software. So they have accounting software providers. They can work with Oracle, they can work with Sage, they can work with QuickBooks in order to help people with accounts. They also have financial institution partners, JP Morgan, American Express, Wells Fargo, and also a number of accounting firms work with this company. And then also they have the network of people who they're connected with. So trailing 12 months revenue, $184 million. Revenue growth is very high at 59%. Generally, I say anything above 20% is a growth stock. So 59% is fantastically high. High gross margins, which we established as it's a software company. 86% of core revenue from existing customers, which is great to see. 121% net dollar retention rate. 5 quarters payback period. Efficient business model. So there's a lot going for this business in terms of the finances. So of course, they have a subscription revenue. They have transaction revenue and they have a float revenue. So interest we earn from customer funds while payment transactions are clearing. So that's quite interesting. I've always knew companies did this. So when you're waiting for funds to go through and you actually have funds held in their accounts, they're actually making money from that, from interest. So customers have been increasing by 27%. This has gone from 86,000 to 109,000, which is great to see in just a single year, especially during this whole global issue. So that's great to see right there. 16% transactions produced have also been increasing and total payment volume has also been increasing. So all the numbers are looking good. They're all moving in the right direction. But let's see what the valuation is saying. So here on Stockopedia, this is a stock research platform I tend to use quite a lot. If you guys wish to check it out and see if it fits your investing style, I've got an exclusive 25% off discount link. So you can check that out in the link below. Price sales is 67. So you're paying 67 times the company's sales. Now I think that is a lofty valuation. Ark has some faith in this company. They don't seem to mind that very high valuation, but 67 times company sales, for me, I just couldn't bring myself to invest into a company with that high of a valuation. But if other information does come about, then that could be very interesting. Perhaps if this stock does have a pullback, that could also be quite interesting. So 67 on the price sales is extremely high, considering this company is unprofitable here, as it says right here. Current ratio, so the balance sheet is 1.41, that is okay. So anything around 1.5 to 2 is fine. I'd love to know how the usability of this software is compared to many other softwares in this industry. So I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. If you do appreciate this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the YouTube AI. I'd love to know your thoughts on Buildcom. What do you think of this company? What do you think of software companies in general? In addition, if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on. If you do want to know exactly which stocks I'm buying, which stocks I'm selling, and talk to me directly about your own investing and investing decisions, then check out that first link in the description below for a VIP membership group. I'll also be doing a major giveaway in the VIP group very soon, so be sure to join just to get that. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys have an incredible day during these crazy times, and I'll see you all in my next video. Invest safe.